Hi, and welcome to the very last video in the introductory series to Shapemaker. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to respond to a co-location request using Shapemaker. Now, let's imagine that we've gotten a co-location request. Typically, you would first check whether you have that structure already onboarded to Shapemaker. In this case, we have, because it's this site, site 1, that we've gotten a co-location request for. You would then go and enter the site. You would go to ancillaries and you would start adding the ancillaries that the customer has requested to add to your structure. Let's imagine that you have a request to add 2 GSM antennas to the structure. Let's add these 2 right here, this one right here, and let's imagine that the request is to have 2 of these at 25 meters, and we'll have them at 0 and at 180 degrees. Nice. Let's just quickly open the view and have a look. That's looking good. They're quite small, these 2 GSM antennas added, but that's fine. Let's imagine that it's Cellnex who's requesting, who has sent the co-location request. That looks great. Now, from previously, we have a result already. So what we need to do is simply press run analysis and wait until Shapemaker has performed a structure analysis of your tower. So waiting a bit, and here we got the response immediately. Just took a few seconds. We see that the tower is still underloaded, and with the 2 antennas that we've added, they can surely do that without any problems at all. So right now we could just go ahead and respond to the customer and say, yep, that's fine. Let's imagine that you actually had a couple of more antennas because that was a bit too easy. Let's say that we had also got a request to add the big GSM antenna, something like this one here, which I think is the same one added previously as well. And that's also 25 meters at 90 degrees. And maybe we'll have 2 of them. We'll have that one at 180. And sorry, at 270. Also a Cellnex tenant. Great. Let's go to run analysis and have a look what happens now. Now you see that we've added 4 antennas in this imaginary co-location request. And now we've got the response back that now the structure is overloaded, and with this antenna configuration right here, you wouldn't be able to accept the co-location request. Luckily, since you're using Shapemaker, you could now go about and simply moving these ancillaries further down, maybe put them at 20 meters instead, see if that would work, and you could very quickly respond to your customer and tell them that, sorry, we can't put your antennas at 27 meters or 25 meters, but we could put them at 20 meters. So that was the final video in this introductory series to Shapemaker. If you have any questions regarding the product, anything that didn't make sense, anything unclear, anything you want to learn more about, please contact us at hello@shapemaker.io or send me a personal mail at js@shapemaker.io. Thank you very much for watching.